Hi there. Today I've got the next little lock. I used this lock on a locker in a hospital years ago, and when I started picking I thought, hey, that's a good beginner lock, but I had a lot of problems to get in this tiny puppy here. So now I will try to show how it will work. There are 3 pins inside. I read that there is a mushroom pin. I think it's a spool or so. And I make a sign here so that you can see what is going on the tension wrench. I start in the front, pin 1, pin 2, and pin 3. Now you can see it's a nice faucet. I go back on pin 2, and on 3 the lock is open. Thank you for watching, and bye.